Bree the Coupon Queen, and it's time for the 5 must-do Walgreens deals for next week. So these deals are going to start on Sunday, January 12th, and go through the following Saturday, the 18th. So we have quite a few money makers on our hands and some amazing deals because we got some booster coupons. So I'm going to go through where you can find your booster coupons and how to get those clipped, as well as the 5 must-do deals for next week. If you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these hot upcoming deals. I will post in the description box as well the 5 must-do CVS deals. Tons of more moneymakers over there as well, so make sure you guys check it out so you can be ready for couponing and the deals coming up next week. So these booster coupons are so amazing. Every time they get them, I get super excited because it can turn a free deal into a moneymaker. So there's 2 ways that you can get these deals. So in the Walgreens ad, it says save up to 30%. So some of you guys, lucky guys, are going to get a 30% off coupon. I personally have never gotten one of those coupons yet. Still crossing my fingers to when that will come around. You're either going to get a 10%, 20%, or 30%. So as you can see here, I got a 10% coupon. The 2 ways that you can get this coupon is you can text the word unlock to the number 41456, or what you can do is go onto the Walgreens app. In your coupon folder, you'll be able to see the sneak peek coupons available for the following week. They'll say sneak peek. And then you'll see it there as well under multi-brand, and then you can clip it to your card. So either way, make sure you guys do that as soon as possible. They are available, so you can do that now. Clip your coupon so you'll be ready to go for the deals on Sunday. Now, the first deal is a moneymaker. I got the 10% off coupon like I showed you, so my math is going to be with the 10%. If you got the 20 or were lucky enough to get the 30%, just adjust your math accordingly. You're going to have a lot bigger money makers on your hands. So Crest toothpaste and the Oral-B toothbrushes are on sale. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. So I'm going to pick up one of each. The Crest toothpaste, $2.99. And then the Oral-B toothbrush is also $2.99. We have a digital $1 off coupon for both products, so we're going to clip that, send that to our card as well. The 10% off coupon is going to take off 60 cents. I'm going to pay $3.38 out of pocket, but get back that $4 register reward. So the final cost is free and a 62-cent moneymaker. The next deal is on laundry care, which I'm really excited about because I still need to finish stocking up on the Downy fabric softener. So they're on sale for $8. The products included is the Tide Simply Liquid, Tide Simply Pods, the Bounce dryer sheets, and the Downy fabric softener, as well as the Unstoppables scent booster. So the products I'm going to pick up is one of the Tide Simply Pods, one of the Tide Simply Liquid, one of the Bounce dryer sheets. I believe it's the 40 count that's included. And then I'm going to pick up one of the Downy fabric softeners. So the coupons that we have available in the 112 Retail Me Not, we're supposed to be getting a coupon for the Tide Simply Pods and Liquid. It's going to be a 50-cent coupon. We don't know the limits on it yet, so for right now, I'm just going to put to use one of those. When you go to pgeveryday.com, there is a $1 off coupon for Tide Simply Pods or Downy fabric softeners. So you're going to print 2 of those. The limit is 2 per day. So with all of those coupons, then the 10% booster is going to take off an additional 80 cents. We're going to pay $4.70 out of pocket for 4 items, or just $1.17 each. Now, keep in mind, if you guys have been following my channel, we never actually pay that much out of pocket. We roll our points and our register rewards and things of that nature into a few different transactions to keep our out-of-pocket as low as possible. So stay tuned for my Walgreens haul. I always post that on Mondays for you guys. That will show you guys the different transactions that I put together, what booster we're going to be using where, and how to get the least amount out of pocket spent for the most amount of products. Another moneymaker for us is on the Colgate. So whichever one you guys prefer, either Crest or Colgate, it's going to be pretty much the same deal and the same moneymaker. So they're on sale, buy 2, get a $4 register reward as well. We're going to pick up 2 of the Colgate toothpaste that are included. They're $2.99 each. Use 2 of the $1 off coupons. You could have gotten them from the 1-5 Smart Source insert or from www.coupons.com. The 10% coupon is going to take off 60 cents. We're going to pay $3.38 again out of pocket, get back that $4 register reward. So another freebie and a 62-cent moneymaker. Now, Purell hand sanitizer is back again with a buy one, get one free deal. These are the 8-ounce tubs, or 8-ounce containers, which is great for keeping at your desk, keeping in your purse, or donating them, of course, to teachers. Teachers can always use these in their rooms, so I highly recommend stocking up on a few of these. So they're on sale for $2.99 and buy one, get one free. There is a $1 digital coupon that you guys can use. The 10% is going to take off another 30 cents. So final cost is going to be $1.69 for both, or just 84 cents each. So definitely not a bad deal to go from $2.99 all the way down to 84 cents. This deal I'm really excited about because deodorant sprays are super, super expensive. So at Walgreens, they're $7.99. Now this deal is for the Dove or the Axe. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the Dove. It's on sale, buy one, get one half off, and buy 3, get 3,000 points back. So the best deal is to go ahead and pick up 4. They will be $7.99. The other 2 would be $3.99. You'll use 2 of the $4 off 2 Dove deodorant coupons that we got in the 1-5 Retail Me Not. The 10% off is going to take off $2.40. We'll pay $13.57 out of pocket and get back that 3,000 points. So final cost is $10.57 for all 4 sprays, or just $2.64 each. So I thought that was a really hot deal to share with you guys to get some good savings for deodorant sprays. Again, you could pick up the Axe as well. They're buy one, get one half off. You can mix and match if you guys want to get 2 of the Dove, 2 of the Axe. Completely up to you guys. So that is the last of the 5 must-do deals for Walgreens. So stay tuned. We're going to have a ton more deals, especially with those boosters. Let me know in the comments what booster you guys got, whether it's the 10%, 20%, or one of the lucky 30% coupons. That would be super hot. All of these deals, of course, would be even better with that 30% coupon. Now, keep in mind, the 30%, 20 or 10% coupon, this booster is a one-time only use. So if you do 2 transactions, that booster is going to work on your first transaction and then it's gone and you're not going to be able to use it again. So keep that in mind when you guys go shopping next week. There is usually a spend limit. If you see here on mine, it's 10% off of a $20 purchase. So if I spend $19.99, it will not work. We have to hit that threshold. It could be 10% off of $10. I've seen 10% off of $35. It can change per account, so I'm not sure what you guys are going to get on your account, but make sure you guys double check that and clip these to your card as soon as possible. You can also spend more than $20. If I do a haul on a Monday that's worth $100, the 10% will come off of the entire total. So it's $20 or more, which is awesome. So there's no limit on how much savings you guys can get from that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.